Welcome, dear viewers, to our comprehensive review of the top 5 portable camping stoves in 2025. In this video, we will delve into the features, performance, and value of the leading portable camping stove that have been making waves this year. We've meticulously tested and compared these models to help you make an informed decision. And here's a reason to stick around till the end. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Coleman Triton Plus 2-burner propane camping stove. This portable and powerful stove is perfect for camping and outdoor cooking. Let's explore its standout features. The built-in handle ensures easy transportation, and the heavy-duty latch secures the stove when not in use. It's compact and convenient for all your outdoor adventures. Featuring independent adjustable burners with perfect flow and perfect heat technology, this stove allows precise temperature control. Cook your meals to perfection with ease. The push-button InstaStart ignition provides matchless lighting. Start cooking instantly without any hassle, making outdoor cooking more enjoyable. Dual wind guards shield the burners from wind, ensuring consistent performance. Enjoy cooking without interruptions, even in breezy conditions. In conclusion, the Coleman Triton Plus combines portability, power, and ease of use. Perfect for any outdoor enthusiast, it's a fantastic addition to your camping gear. Number 4. The Coleman Classic 3-burner propane camping stove. This versatile stove is perfect for camping, tailgating, and BBQs. Let's explore its standout features. With up to 28,000 total BTUs, this stove delivers impressive cooking power. Ideal for all your outdoor cooking needs, ensuring your meals are perfectly cooked every time. Featuring 3 adjustable burners, this stove radiates heat evenly. Whether you're simmering or searing, you'll have precise control over the heat. Equipped with pressure control technology, it ensures consistent performance even in extreme conditions. Reliable cooking in any weather, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. Enjoy matchless lighting with the push-button ignition. This feature adds convenience and safety, making it easy to start cooking right away. In conclusion, the Coleman Classic 3-burner stove combines power, versatility, and ease of use. Perfect for any outdoor enthusiast, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 3. The GasOne dual-fuel portable camping stove. This powerful and versatile stove is perfect for camping and outdoor adventures. Let's explore its standout features. This stove offers market-leading performance, compatible with both 8-ounce camping fuel and propane. It operates efficiently with a single 8-ounce camping cartridge or a 16.4-ounce propane cylinder. The piezoelectric ignition system provides seamless, matchless ignition. No need for manual lighting, enhancing ease of use and safety in outdoor environments. Engineered for simplicity, the stove features an adjustable heat dial and piezoelectric ignition. Ideal for camping, backpacking, and emergency preparedness, it ensures reliable and effortless operation. Equipped with a built-in pressure sensor, cartridge ejection system, and gas flow cutoff mechanism, this stove guarantees user safety and operational security at all times. In conclusion, the GasOne dual-fuel stove combines power, safety, and user-friendly design. Perfect for any outdoor enthusiast, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Number 2. The VESTA self-powered camping heater and stove. This compact and off-grid solution is perfect for emergencies and outdoor adventures. Let's explore its standout features. The VESTA combines a space heater and stove in one unit. Cook meals in warm areas up to 200 square feet, making it incredibly versatile for any situation. No need to go outside, the VESTA is safe for indoor use. Preserve your warmth by using it indoors without any worries. Operate the VESTA without plugs or electricity. It runs on canned heat, using up to 3 cans for maximum warmth, making it perfect for off-grid living. The VESTA emits little to no smoke or fumes, ensuring you stay warm without revealing your location. Ideal for discreet use in emergencies. In conclusion, the VESTA self-powered camping heater and stove combines versatility, safety, and convenience. Perfect for campers and emergency preppers, it's a must-have addition to your gear. Number 1. The Coleman Tabletop 2-in-1 Grill and Stove. This versatile cooking tool is perfect for camping, tailgating, and more. Let's explore its standout features. With the 2-in-1 design, you can use the grill and stove simultaneously. It's ideal for cooking a variety of meals at once, enhancing your outdoor cooking experience. The grill offers a 130 sq-in cooking surface, while the stove fits a 10-inch pan. This setup ensures you have plenty of space to prepare all your favorite dishes. Delivering up to 20,000 BTUs of cooking power, this grill-stove combo ensures efficient and powerful heating. Perfect for quick and thorough cooking. Featuring InstaStart push-button ignition, you can light up the grill without matches. It's simple and convenient, making outdoor cooking hassle-free. In conclusion, the Coleman Tabletop 2-in-1 Grill and Stove combines versatility, power, and ease of use. Perfect for any outdoor enthusiast, it's a fantastic addition to your gear. Hope you found this content insightful, and if you want to see more of our content, please consider giving us a like and subscribe for more in-depth analysis. Remember, every click supports our work and helps us deliver better content. Thank you for watching. Stay curious, stay informed.